Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your profile picture on the June's Journey application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's my home screen, and you can find different buttons, for example the shop, the settings, your money, diamonds and others. Now if you want to edit your profile picture, go to the upper left corner of the home screen, the profile icon, and here you can find the picture and click to the pen icon, the pencil, and here you can find different portraits and just select one, for example the man with the hat, and click that and just click to the confirm button, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.